Hey guys, this is Jerk and welcome back to my channel. It's been a month guys. Months na ba? Or how many weeks na ba akong last kapag-upload? So sorry po sa mga lahat ng manonood. Na may nanonood ba? Okay. Okay, so biglaan na naman tayo mag-vlog guys kasi may dumating o may kinuha akong package from Arla or from Fly Ace Corporation. So before we're going to do a quick unboxing video guys, thank you very much po muna sa Fly Ace Corporation sa paayuda and also NCC Davao for having us or for allowing us to promote the event which is the MommyCon 2020 online. So, yeah. So, ito yung binigay sa amin as a token sa pagtulong sa kanila pag-promote sa event na yon. So, medyo matagal na pero okay pa rin. At least dumating yung package. And ito na nga yun guys. Wow! Ang bigat! Grabe! So, isa-isahin natin tong i-unbox at kung ano yung laman o binigay ng Arla of Light Ace Corporation. Let's do this! So, first on the list guys, syempre, bababa muna natin yung camera para makita nyo. Okay. So, andito ako sa kwarto ko. Pasensya na sa medyo may kalat. May kalat. So, yeah. Bago pala yan guys, I just like to flex my new setup dito sa room. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung setup ko ng pagbablog dito sa room. Wait. Look at this. So, eto yun guys. Ayan. Pasensya na sa malabo. So, eto yung ring light ko. Ano ba yan? Ayan yung ring light ko. At saka, eto yung phone holder. Pasensya na sa madumi. So, eto lang po yung setup ko dito sa room. So, nakalagay dito yung cellphone ko. Isang ring light. Nakasaksak yung ring light doon. So, yun lang po, 'di ba? Ayos. So, nabili ko pula siya sa SM sa third floor sa SM Lanang. So, yung pagbili ko dito is around 600 pesos lang. So, murang-mura lang at it's very affordable at saka madali siyang i-set up guys. Wala nang tripod. Clip nyo lang siya kung saan pwedeng i-clip. Then, gora na! Diba? Amazing! So, balik na tayo guys. Back to our main business. So, ayun na nga guys. So, nakita niyo na kung ano yung setup ko. Medyo malinaw na po at ganda ng lights, diba? So, first on product na binigay ng Fly Ace is tcharan! So, eto yung Jolly Claro palm oil. Gamit na gamit ko siya guys sa bahay kasi yung kapatid ko mahilig magluto at saka mag-deep fry or magprito kung ano-ano pa. So, isa to sa main product na ginagamit namin dito sa bahay. So, walang bias guys ha. Ito talaga yung ginagamit namin kasi mura, tsaka malinis, at tsaka pwede nyo pang gamitin to 5 times na hindi pa siya nagda-dark. Hindi gaya ng iba, diba? Pag twice or 3 times mo na siyang ginagamit is nagda-dark. Eto, hindi. Tsaka one thing pala guys na the best thing about this Claro Palm Oil is kahit ilagay niyo siya sa ref, hindi siya matutulog or tulog mantika. It's still the same. It's clear as it look what you can see here. So yeah, I love this product. Walang bias ha. So next is this one. Arla Organic! Yo! Meron pa akong Arla Organic na binigay last time. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi ewan ko ba. Pero yeah, still thankful. I still have my Arla Organic. This is the first Arla Organic powdered milk drink. 100% European Organic Certified. World's #1 organic dairy producer. Wow. Imported to guys. So organic product po ito siya. So kung mahilig po kayo sa organic product, go ahead and buy this Arla Organic. And to our next product, wait. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko din. This is the Arla Light Cheese. Ito silang dalawa guys. Tcharan! This is the Arla Cheesy Spread Light. Ayan. And then, itong isa is Arla Cheesy Cheddar Spread. It contains vitamin A. So, sobrang masustansya to guys. So, I love this one. But if I'm going to choose either one of this, I'm going to go to cheddar. Kasi isa ito sa madalis kong maubos minsan. So, yeah, kung mabubuksan nito siya guys, as much as possible, consume it within 10 days kasi madali siya masira. So, sa akin, hindi naman kasi mahilig akong kumain ng pan at saka or bread. So, ito yung ginagamit kong spread. Thank you very much. So, next one is yung tayo sa mga gatas. So, this is the Arla All Lactose Free Milk Goodness. Grabe ha. So, it's a full cream, easy digestion, good natural source of calcium and protein, vitamins, and minerals. Shadan! The best. So, no lactose, easy digestion, and more goodness. The best. It's lactose free. So, mga sensitive ang tiyan yan na mahilig pa rin uminom ng milk. This is for you guys. The Arla Milk Lactose Free. So, next one is another milk. This is the Arla All Natural Milk Goodness. So, this is the regular one, the natural version ng milk nila. So, this is also natural source for calcium, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Thank you very much. And then, next product is another all-natural milk goodness from Arla. So, yeah. Let's differentiate. Ay, parehas lang pala. Dalawa sila. So, yeah. Thank you very much. Dalawa siya. And then, second to the last item is this one. First time ko to Langnis? Tama ba? It's a pure bee honey. Wow! It's a honey! Wow! Nagamit ko to sa mga ka-etcho sana drinks ko. Thank you very much! It's 100% natural. Tadam! Let's have vlogger. So thank you very much for giving me this one. Tatry ko to. And then, our last product for today, ang binigay ng Fly Ace Corporation is the May Apple Sparkling May's Sparkling Apple Juice. So, this is the best item na binigay nila guys. So, it's a sparkling wine para dyan sa mahilig mag-wine. And isa pa, naka-sale din ito guys. So, if you want to try this apple flavor, you can go ahead and visit your nearest supermarket kasi I think they still have the promo now, 100 pesos per bottle. So, sobrang sulit, sobrang sarap, sobrang mura. Diba? Go ahead and try this guys. Thank you very much. So, yun nga guys, thank you again sa Fly Ace Corporation sa pagbigay ng lahat ng mga products na to. But before we'll end this vlog guys, tatry ko muna yung nauuso o pinauso ni Bretman Rock sa TikTok na drink milk while you're doing a lip sync. So, sana hindi mabuhos lahat ng milk na to. So, ito try natin. Let's do that! Before pala natin gawin yung TikTok challenge na yun guys, is papakita ko muna sa inyo etong video na to na ginawa ni Bretman. Diba? Challenging na challenging. So, gagawin natin to gamit ang all-purpose milk goodness. So, sana wag mabuhos lahat ng to kasi sayang naman. So, yeah. Let's do this! Let's do TikTok time! Sambasa na po ako guys. So, pasensya na po, nagkalat. Thank you po ulit sa Fly Ace Corporation sa pagbigay ng mga products na to. And yeah, thank you ulit kay Miss Lormi sa pag-assist din po sa amin sa pagbigay ng mga products na to in behalf of Fly Ace Corporation. So, yeah, doon lang po tayo guys. Sorry po sa kalang. Pasensya na po. So, yeah. Also, if you have TikTok account, please do follow me TikTok account. That's Jerk Adventures. So, kita-kita po tayo doon. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Amping always. Bye!